What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, the people's champ, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Hey, you see it. Today is the day. The moment we've all been waiting for, man. Hey, I'm trying to tell you, man, you will not have another opportunity like this in 2021. This is the millionaire maker right here, man. You know, I keep telling y'all, man, I showed you Octa, Moonrat, all this stuff, just 10, 20, 100xing. Well, this is the one right here. This is the safe one. You know what I'm saying? Hey, drip is here. You will not get another one with the hype. You know, the machine behind it, a trusted developer. Look here, man. I'm going to show you how to do it. Enough of all that. First thing you want to do, man, come to the swap, right? Now, I told y'all, always make your first shot your best shot. The price is going to moon. You don't want to, if you got 10 BNB, just get the 10 BNB. You're going to get it back. You know what I'm saying? Do not, well, I'm going to do 2 BNB to see how it works because you're losing money. By the time you put the other 8 in here, you're getting less drip. You see what I'm saying? I'm trying to show you how to do it. I want you to win. That's why I'm telling you. People doing that now with Moonrat and all that stuff. All right, let me go back in. You should have went in heavy the first time. God, I'm telling you. Hit that notification. I'm the man that make you this money. You know, everybody making money watching me, man. You ain't made this kind of money watching nobody else. Tell the truth. Let's get it. Now, after you get your drip, this is where the magic happen right here. You come up with a faucet. Now look, the developer has made this to where you have to be on a big team, guys. That's just the way it is. You got to be on a winning team, a big team, because you know them airdrops gonna come on your head, bro. I'm making sure my team win. I like to brag. I want my whole team to be on the yacht, baby. I ain't like the other guys. They get the yacht and then wanna do vlogs and stuff and tell you why you losing. No, 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 no. We all gonna be on the yacht on Stunner Breezy team, baby. So first thing you wanna do is either gonna be a link straight to it, or you can just copy my address in the description, put the address right here, and click update. You on the team, baby. You on the team. Cause when you click this box, you this is my box where you belong. I'm putting you right here. You understand what I'm saying? This is the money box where I'm gonna be dropping it on your head. Boy, you know I love to show it. I show mine. And I'm gonna make sure you get 5, 6x. You know what I'm saying? I'm making them drip. Why? Ooh-wee. Anyway, man. But when you do that, you come back up here and you put the amount of drip that you want in there. Just max it. They don't need you holding drip in your wallet. You don't get nothing for that. So hit max and hit deposit. Right? Now let me show you. Let me go back over here to the swap feature. Because the first thing you gotta do is hit this enable button. You know, you've done this before. Hit enable. You know what I'm saying? It ain't working now because the site ain't up. But click enable. That's the first thing you want to do. Click enable. Click, because I know somebody got all these messages. It won't let me buy. Oh Lord, it won't let me buy. click enable, man. And then you go make your first shot your best shot. Then you sit back and collect. When you do that, you sit back and collect. You ain't got to be trying to watch it, wait for the pullback, bro. I don't see no pullback. This thing got so much hype. The pre-sale sold out, and the private sale sold out. Well, the influencer sale sold, everything sold out, bro. So I'm telling you, you know what I mean? Then you come over here again. Make your first shot your best shot, and you seen it just like in Flow. This will populate, you know what I'm saying? Just like Flow. Ain't no hiding that. Developer know it. That's what he took. He took everything from Tron chain, Ether chain, Flow, all those kind of contracts, and made it one big contract. He took all the bad stuff out. Ain't no reactors, ain't no change in the price, ain't not the percentages and all that stuff in the back. No. This is a deflationary token. It's a max supply. This thing is gonna run forever. Because let me show you something. See that right there? A 10% tax is charged on deposits. Everybody got to put in on this. You can't be one of them whales with his buddies with the developer. Hey man, how we gonna do this? Yeah, you put in, I'm gonna withdraw. You come in here with 100,000, you have to pay that tax on that. You know what I'm saying? You come in with 1,000,000, you have to pay 100,000 tax that go into the pot for everybody to eat off of. I love that. So I don't see. I mean, people are always gonna be coming in and out of this contract. So I don't see no reason it ain't gonna never. And if it just so happen to do it, it's still a mechanism where it's gonna still pay out. This thing is awesome, bro. Like I don't know what to tell you. You don't be looking at everybody else. They're like, man, I wish I had this much. I wish I had that. You can. You just got to go in from the rip. If you come and think about the people that's coming in a month from now, 2 months, they're gonna be paying way more for the same amount you got. Cause this price is going to skyrocket, bro. So I'm just trying to tell you this: the hydrate, meaning recompound, or you know how to go back in, hypercompound. That's the claim. Now I ain't gonna tell you what to do, but you know how to win this stuff, man. By now, this is the button how you win in the beginning. Oh, it don't matter if it's 10 days, 30 days. Some people do it 60 days, 90 days. This is how you win. This is confusing me. This recompound. you hyper compound. You hyper compound back in to get this up. You keep hyper compounding because in the beginning, boy, this thing gonna be running up. And you hyper compound, and then you sit back and then you can claim. While everybody else trying to catch up, you just claiming. You getting airdrops and claiming. I'm showing you how to win, bro. You are on the win. If you watching this, you on the winning team. I ain't gonna be one of the people do it, show you a video today on this, and then tomorrow I'll be showing you a new IFO or not IDO or this. No, we talking about drip. We talking about how to win in this. This where our money at. Let's get this money first. You know what I'm saying? Before we start talking about, let's get this money first. You understand? That's what you do. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this box don't even matter. This box don't even matter either. That's developer. He already rich. Don't even click that box. Put put my address right here. I'm just playing around, man. You can do what you want to do, but I'm telling you, the way it's set up, you want these airdrops. You don't want to miss out on these airdrops. I don't want to be complaining about the other guy I'm on his team, he ain't doing that. Yeah, hit the notification. Put my address right here. You won't have to have that problem. I'm gonna stay in this box. I'm gonna airdrop up by you. You gonna be like, golly, man, golly. I know it. Just give your boy a shout out or something. You know what I'm saying? Pat your boy on the back for making you rich. That's what I do. But yeah, man. So by the time this video come out, it might be a direct link or just may gotta paste my address right now. Anyway, we're gonna be talking about this for a long time, so we're gonna keep it moving right now to the swap, to the pack. Oh, you see, I be on that MRAT. Let me show you this octa right quick. Let me show you this octa right quick, bro. This is ridiculous. Let me show you this, man. I did a whole video on this about a week ago. Told y'all, bruh, this thing is going 10, 20, 50x. Who knows? Why it ain't coming up? Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on. There it is. I'm telling you, man. Look at that. 24 BNB. Man, I want to put like 3 BNB in here, man. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, man. I'm trying to tell you. Your boy know what's going on. Your boy got his finger on this thing. You know, it's up to you. I can't tell you how much to put in, when to get out, but I can tell you it's going up. When I tell you, it's going up. Now I don't know how long it'll go up and when, but I'm guaranteeing you money. It's the only guaranteed money station on YouTube, baby. I ain't sitting here telling you about something you can't make no money on. I mean, I like LEO trades and all that, but what sharding and layer two and that ain't making me no money, bro. You know what I'm saying? Give me a link to where I can put something in, get some money, get out. You understand what I'm saying? That's what crypto is at this moment. You can hodl, you can go try to, I ain't gonna get into that, man. Y'all know I be talking for days. Let's see what we got here. Got 700. Well, I'm actually early because, I ain't make my video yesterday till noon. So I got out at noon. So this ain't even a full days. I still got this 8 o'clock now as I'm making this video. So this is like 4 more hours worth of gains. So we'll do that. I got about $3,000 in Binex. What's today? Tuesday? Oh, I got one more day to get my rest of my swap. You know what I'm saying? What we got? Neonic. Still going. I've been just withdraw from that, from the harvest that another $72. What else we got? We got my uranium. Let's see what I'm doing over here. What? That's another $600. This thing is your boy know where the money at, bro. I know where the money is at. You hear me? That's what you got to do. You got to turn over these rocks and get this hidden gems, baby. You want survival? You got to go find the hidden immunity. You got to go find the hidden immunity item. I'm finna get some more because I'm finna harvest these. I got 8 more to put on top. They're going to put me over 50. That's going to put me over 50. I'm telling you, the U235 is where it's at. That's where the money at, man. I showed y'all yesterday how to harvest them, how to farm them. Come on, baby. Come on. I gotta get these right now. I gotta put that on in the pot so I can get some of that daily money pot. And this thing pay all day, man. All day long. It just give you rewards all day. For real. Look at that. All day, this just go up. All day. 609. What else we got? The pool. I'm in the pool with the United 2, the native token, and WBNB. So I can harvest these. Now these are $100 a piece. So that's $150 right now. These things are $100 a piece. So that is $150 right now, boy. Well, I'm trying to tell you, boy. I don't know what else to tell you, man. Let me go see if my thing is went up a little bit. 620. It just pay all day, bro. It just pay all day. It just keep paying, man. So I'm just gonna leave it in there, man. Let it run, see what it do. What I might do, I might come out of one of the farms because I don't know the price. It was at 120, it's at 100, which is still okay. But I'm suffering liquidity. What you call that? Impermanent loss. But it's paying so good, you know what I'm saying? So I might come out of one of these and go into just go in my WB and B&B pool, which is go in this pool up this. You know what I'm saying? That's what I might do. I'm not sure. I might. Who knows? Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.